small, fast, Italian, and absolutely feral. The 2026 Abarth 595 is back, and it's louder, angrier, and more electrifying than ever. But is this pint-sized powerhouse still the king of hot hatches, or is it just riding on nostalgia? Buckle up, because today, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about the brand new Abarth 595. From its turbocharged heart to its growling exhaust, this is one car that refuses to act its size. Let's find out why the 2026 Abarth 595 might just be your next adrenaline addiction. First impressions matter, and the 2026 Abarth 595 doesn't disappoint. While its Fiat 500 roots are obvious, the Abarth injects serious aggression into the DNA. The updated front fascia gets sharper LED headlights and larger air intakes, flanked by a new honeycomb grille that screams "Race Me." Around the side, you've got deep side skirts, Abarth badging proudly placed on the quarter panels, and stunning forged wheels wrapped in grippy low-profile tires. The rear? A twin exhaust setup that looks, and sounds, like it belongs on a rally stage. It's cheeky, but mean. Step inside the 595, and you're immediately reminded this isn't your grandma's Fiat. The 2026 update brings a more refined yet purposeful cabin. Gone are the plasticky trims of old, replaced by Alcantara dash inserts, contrast stitching, and carbon fiber touches across the console. You get a 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster, a new performance mode interface, and a flat-bottomed steering wheel that feels like it came out of a track car. But enough about looks. Let's talk about what makes the 2026 Abarth 595 tick and roar. Under the hood, you'll find a reworked 1.4-liter turbocharged T-Jet engine, now producing a wild 190 horsepower and 250 Nm of torque. That's a bump over the previous version, and trust us, you'll feel it. Thanks to its light 1,110 kilograms curb weight, the 595 launches from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 6.5 seconds. The updated Garrett turbo, improved intake system, and Abarth's record Monza exhaust give it that signature snarling soundtrack. A 5-speed manual comes standard, but there's also an updated dual-clutch transmission for those who want a bit more comfort in city driving. With all that performance in a tiny package, the 2026 Abarth 595 doesn't come cheap. Base prices start at around €27,500 in Europe, with the fully loaded Competizione trim touching nearly €33,000. Factor in premium options like Brembo brakes, racing seats, and exterior kits, and you're easily pushing higher. But here's the part most people skip: the risks. The Abarth 595 is not a practical car. It's firm, very firm. The ride can get punishing on rough city roads. Cabin noise? You'll hear everything. And don't expect loads of tech features. Abarth is about emotion, not luxury. Fuel economy hovers around 6.5 L/100 km, which is decent, but not hybrid-level efficient. And while build quality has improved, some interior plastics still feel cheaper than rivals like the Mini Cooper S or Hyundai i20N. Plus, the manual version can be a chore in traffic. This car wants to be driven hard, not daily commuted through rush hour. So, is the 2026 Abarth 595 a flawed gem or a compact revolution? Honestly, it's both. It's not perfect. But it doesn't need to be. It's raw, fun, and dripping with character in a world full of boring crossovers. If you want every drive to feel like a lap, and you're okay with trading comfort for excitement, this is your car. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button, subscribe for more spicy car content, and tell us in the comments, would you take the Abarth 595 over a Mini JCW or a GR Yaris? See you in the next one.